Hey guys, welcome back. So today iQOO 8 series phones have been launched in China and we know you all are waiting to know what it packs. But first let me tell you about iQOO phones in general, cause some people may not have heard about this brand. These phones are supremely powerful gaming smartphone packed with features that help you stand out in games. Moreover, they check almost all boxes and offer great value for money. And iQOO 8 series won't be that different. Now there are two phones in this series, 8 and 8 Pro, both having almost the same design with different finishes. iQOO 8 is available in a total of 3 finishes, while iQOO 8 Pro is available in just 2 finishes. As for specs, the standard iQOO 8 gets a 6.56-inch flat AMOLED display with 1080 by 2376 pixels, while the Pro variant bumps up to a 6.78-inch E5 curved AMOLED panel with an LTPO controller capable of 1 to 120Hz variable refresh rate adjustment and maximum resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. Here both phones feature 120Hz refresh rate and 10-bit colors. Now compared to the previous E4 panel, E5 has a great improvement in peak brightness and power consumption. If that's not enough, it's even got an A+ on 14 records on DisplayMate's extensive lab tests, which is extraordinary. Moreover, the iQOO 8 has an optical fingerprint scanner, whereas the Pro model features an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. By now you may have seen both these types of fingerprint scanner in action. Another difference comes in the form of battery. While the Pro variant packs a 4500 mAh cell, the vanilla model gets a slightly smaller 4350 mAh battery, but the charging speeds remain same with 120 watt. However, for Pro variant, you will find that it has 50 watt wireless charging support, which the standard model doesn't seem to have. Now comes the major difference of all, the cameras. Obviously, the Pro model holds the edge over standard with a 50 megapixel IMX766V main shooter with 5x gimbal stabilization and OIS support, alongside a 48 megapixel ultra-wide snapper and a 16 megapixel portrait cam. We cannot make justice to cameras just by telling what they do, you have to watch dedicated reviews for that. This is just an informative video, that's all. The vanilla model opts for a 48 megapixel IMX598 main shooter next to a 13 megapixel ultra-wide module and a 13 megapixel portrait lens. Both phones feature 16 megapixel selfie cams housed inside punch hole cutouts. The processors powering these phones are Snapdragon 888 and 888 Plus for standard and Pro models. They also come with cooling solutions to keep temperature under check. Both phones get up to 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM with the maximum of 256 and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage option. For software, it will come with Origin OS 1.0 based on Android 11. Now coming to the price. Here I will provide you with the price in China and do the conversion to INR. And you do have to remember that it won't be priced similar in India. With that being said, let's get to the price. The standard model with base RAM and storage of 8 plus 128 gigs is priced at Yuan 3799, that's roughly 43,500 rupees. And for 12 plus 256 gigs variant, it's priced at 4099 Yuan, that's around 47,000 rupees. And the Pro starts at Yuan 5000, that's around 57,300 for the 8 plus 256 gigs variant, and goes up to Yuan 6000, that's approximately 68,800 rupees for 12 plus 512 gigs version. The sale of iQOO 8 will start from August 24th, while the sale of iQOO 8 Pro will start from August 26th. As of now, there is no information on international availability. So how was the video? If you liked it, then do subscribe. We bring more such videos every alternate day. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.